Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 better words than very. Number 1. Incredibly. It means very surprising or very great. Example, the test was incredibly difficult. Number 2. Exceptionally. It means unusually good, great, or high. Example, Maya is an exceptionally talented singer. Number 3. Remarkably. It means in a surprising or noticeable way. Example, the weather was remarkably warm for October. Number 4. Immensely. It means very much or to a very great degree. Example, I immensely enjoyed your presentation. Number 5. Highly. It means very, especially used for praise or approval. Example, this book is highly recommended. Number 6. Exceedingly. It means extremely, very in a formal way. Example, the instructions were exceedingly clear. Number 7. Tremendously. It means extremely or very greatly. Example, the new teacher was tremendously helpful. Number 8. Enormously. It means to a very great degree. Example, technology has changed enormously in the last decade. Number 9. Extraordinarily. It means extremely or unusually. Example, the view from the mountain was extraordinarily beautiful. Number 10. Utterly. It means completely or totally, usually used with strong, often negative adjectives. Example, after the long trip, we were utterly exhausted. And that's it! Now you have 10 better words to use instead of very. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy English lessons with me.